Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 1st of August. The euro remained range-bound near its lowest point over the last month at 133.85 as the European CPI came out worse than expected at 0.4%, while the European unemployment rate was better than expected at 11.5%. The US dollar remained range-bound against the Japanese yen at 102.76 as US unemployment claims this week were, as expected, at 302,000. Dollar continues to be the strongest currency between majors as today the non-farm employment change will be announced, which might give it further boost. Looking at equities, US equities dropped the most since February yesterday. The US 500 fell to 1927, the US 30 to 16525 and the US Tech to 3894. Looking at commodities, WTI crude continued to drop while it reached a 4-month low towards $98 a barrel as US stockpiles rose and demand declined in the US. And our mover and shaker today is the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar continues its bearish trend against the US dollar while reaching a 7-week low at 10920, despite better GDP at 0.4%. The loonie is still under pressure as oil prices continue to fall, hitting a major Canadian export. Option traders may consider constructing a back spread strategy with calls on the dollar CAD and gain if the pair moves higher, while the risk is limited to the premium paid. A back spread strategy with calls can be constructed by selling an out-of-the-money call while buying an out-of-the-money call at double the amount. And watch out at 8:30 GMT in the UK, we have the manufacturing PMI expected at 57.2. At 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the non-farm employment change expected at 231,000. And at 1400 GMT in the US, we have the ISM manufacturing PMI expected at 56.1. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Mum Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great weekend.